Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel CATIA Surface and Part Design. In today's video, I will be discussing about the sweep command. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So going in CATIA, click on New and then select Part, click on OK, again click on OK. So click on Insert tab to get geometrical set. Click on OK. Click on sweep command. So you can see here the four types are available of sweep command. One is explicit, second one is line, third one is circle, and fourth one is conic. In my previous video, I had already covered the sweep explicit command. If you are not familiar with this, so please watch my previous video. So let's get started. The sweep line command. So there are 7 types are available: to limit, limit and middle, with reference surface, with reference curve, with tangency surface, with draft direction, and with to tangency surface. So now we are discussing about to limit. So here B should have two guide curve. So click on sketch and then click on arc and give the constant, change the value 139 to 100 and then exit the workbench view. Again click on the plane and select this plane to get one more curve. Click on the value 50 and then exit. Click on sketch view. Click on arc. And give constant $100. Coincidence. And then exit. So here we have two guide curve. Click on sweep command and then select guide curve 1, select guide curve 2. Click on preview. So here you can see here the profile. We can change the value length 1 50, length 2 is also 50. Click on preview. So hide this surface and then moving on the second command, limit and middle. For this command we need two guide curve. So select on the guide curve 1 and select on the guide curve 2. Click on preview. So as you can see here the guide curve is center on this surface. Click on OK and then again hide this profile and then moving on the third one command with reference surface. click on hide the surface, and then click on with reference surface, select the guide curve and select this surface and click on preview. So as you can see here, this profile, click on OK. Again hide this and hide this. So now move on the fourth one command. With reference curve. So click on with reference curve, and then we need to have one guide curve and one reference curve. Click on sketch view and then select this. Click on arc and then exit. Hide this curve. Click on sweep command and then select guide curve 1 and select guide curve 2, reference curve, sorry. Click on preview. So change the direction. Click on preview and you can change the value from 0 to 50. Click on preview and then OK. So now moving on the next command, bit tangents surface. So starting by creating a sketch. So create a plane, click on OK, click on sketch and select a plane, create a line. And then exit. So now go to the sweep option and select curve on this tangency surface. Click on preview. So you can see here this profile is tangent to this surface. Click on OK. After that, be moving on the next command with draft direction. So hide this. Click on sweep command and then select curve and give direction. Click on preview and change the value from 0 to whatever I want. And then click on preview. So you can see here draft is given. Change the value from 0, 10 to 20. So already so many options are there, length 1 and millimeter and length 2. Click on OK and then moving on last one command, last command, bit to tangency surface. Hide this, hide all the surface and curve. Click on sketch view, select plane and then create arc. And then exit. Again click on sketch view, select this plane, create an arc, and then exit. Extrude this, change the value 100, click on preview, again extrude this curve and then OK. So going to sweep command and then bit to tangency surface. So we need to have one spine and two tangency surface. So create a spine. Select sketch on this plane and create a line. And then exit. Going to the sweep command and select a spine and select tangency surface 1 and select tangency surface 2, click on preview. So you can see here this surface is tangency to this surface and this surface. Click on OK. So thank you so much for watching. If you this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more CATIA tutorials.